Welcome to Hardcore Garage. I got some parts in the mail yesterday. I should have did a what's in the box, but it really was kind of anticlimactic. It was this right here. Shut-off valve and a bunch of stickers is the only thing I really got. But this right here is going to hopefully make my air either run really good or blow a bunch of stuff up. We're about to see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch all this stuff on this line right here. That is a brass tee there, but I want it to match those brass tees. There's a little, I'm not even sure if that's copper or not, but I'm going to make that brass. And then see, there's a bunch of adapters here. You got 3/8 and then it adapts to this and then into this. I got a deal that'll just screw straight in, I believe. And the same with this here. You've got all these different adapters, 1, 2, 3. So this actually will be able to screw straight into the 3/8. And I'm going to get rid of this, and I believe it's just like an air chuck valve. I'm going to add this guy right here, I think. So if I needed to add some air tools or something, and I could also use, I can make up a little rig that I can backfill if I need to use it to, you know, pump air into the system. Or if I need to fill tires, I'll be able to use an air tool. So that's where we're at. Also got me some more brass when I went in today. I still think I'm missing one of these in order to be able to change that side out over there. But they also had this mega tape, and you know, I'm just not really happy with the thread tape. So I don't know if I'm going to switch to this mega tape or just try some of this liquid messy ass stuff here, but we'll see. Okay, so here's what I just pulled out, and there is what I'm going to replace it with. I'm not going to try that stuff there just yet. I'm going to try this super mega tape and see what happens with it first. This is what I made. That's what it used to look like. The mega tape just did not work. I couldn't get it to stick to the threads for anything. If you got any tips on that, let me know. Well, it's all back together. Guess there's nothing left to do but fire it up and hope for the best. My only concern here is, what's that bad boy going to do when it gets to 160? Because that's a 175 shut off. So I got kind of sketched out, and I moved the car outside just in case. And I don't want to even really be back here, so I'm going to put this thing on a tripod, and we're going to see what happens, I guess. I should probably move it around. So you can see the gauge there. When the gauge gets all the way to the bottom right hand corner, it's going to be at 160. That's 120 right there. Hopefully that gauge don't just come apart, which is a possibility, I suppose. I'm going to duck out of here about 140. Pray for the best. Hopefully it doesn't destroy my camera too. Phone. Everything's just gone, blows out, shoots into my work truck. So I figured that's what would happen, was the ends would blow out of that tank. But I would hope some of them fittings would fail first. It's a 450C pump, and I think it's only a 150, so I don't know if that means that's all it will give is 150, or if it'll turn off automatically. We about to see. I do this so you don't have to. All right, I'm gonna step away. I heard it shut off. Still got me scared here. Move this out of the way. What I'm gonna do is drop it down now, since we know that it shuts off. It's been running. And I'm going to drop it all the way down and raise it all the way up once and see what that gets me. Kind of want to do it in the garage, but I don't at the same time. I guess I should spray those fittings too, but I want to see how much air I can get on this thing. Anyway, I'm just rambling. Now that's what I'm talking about. One question I have, and I may know the answer, I just don't know that I know the answer. When I raised the front all the way up, I got to about 130, I think. And when I raise the back up, the front pressure drops. So is there a such thing as like check valves that I need to put inside there? And where would they go? Like somewhere past the dump? Let me know, inform me. But I think that's what's happening. Somehow it's causing a vacuum and sucking it back into the tank, which I really don't understand how it gets past the dump, but that's the only thing I can assume. I'm relying on you guys to school me on this, so let me know what's up. Hope you enjoyed the video. We didn't blow nothing up. Keep on trucking.